Umbrellas first emerged in China almost 35,000 years ago. In ancient China, umbrellas were used in official ceremonies, rites, inspection tours of emperors and senior officials. As umbrellas indicated wealth and honor, it was often used in wedding ceremonies, operas, songs, dances and aerobatics. Here, our children are ready to dance an umbrella dance before you. On the stage, Niranjan, Midun, Gauri Shankar, Sharon, Pranav and Indraj. Dobara. We all know it. So let us live life to the fullest and teach our children to do the same. In case you have missed the message, our little angels are going to drive it home to this little Spanish number. Enjoy. Participants are Jagadish, Shravan, Dhananjay, Bhagat, Parthav Shankar, Niranjan Unni, Naveen, Sri Vasudev and Vaishnav.
Cuánto amor, chiquita, fresita, para esta chacha bonita, loquita. Cuánto amor, chiquita, rosita, eres sabor del amor, chiquita.
Pranav, Naveen, Niranjan Unni, Vaishnav, Bhagat and Niranjan Sar.
നീ വരുമോ എൻ്റെ നാടു കാണാൻ, നീ വരുമോ എൻ്റെ നാടു കാണാൻ. പച്ചക്കുരുത്തോലപ്പന്തലുണ്ട്, നല്ല പച്ച കിളികൾ കണ്ടാനമുണ്ട്. തത്തിക്കളിക്കും മരങ്ങളുണ്ട്, നല്ല പൊക്കമേറിടും മലകളുണ്ട്. അത്തപ്പൂണ്ട് വിഷുക്കണിയും കത്തികയും തിരുവോണമുണ്ട്. ചങ്ങമ്പുഴയും ചെറുശ്ശേരിയും പിന്നെ വെള്ളത്തോളിന്നിവരെ പെറ്റ നാട്. കുമ്മിയും കൂത്തും പൂരത്തിപ്പാട്ടും നല്ല ഓട്ടം തുള്ളൽ തിരുവാതിരയും പന്തുകളിയും കഥകളിയും പിന്നെ കഴമെഴുത്തും നല്ല പറ്റുമുണ്ട്. നീ വരുമോ ഭഗവാനാണി നിന്നടുത്ത നല്ല ഭാഗവദേശമാണെന്റെ നാട്. മാവേലി തമ്പുരാൻ വാണിടുന്ന നല്ല മലയാളമാണെന്റെ നാട്. മാവേലി തമ്പുരാൻ വാണിടുന്ന നല്ല മലയാളമാണെന്റെ നാട്. നീ വരുമോ എൻ്റെ നാടു കാണാൻ, നീ വരുമോ എൻ്റെ നാടു കാണാൻ. താങ്ക് യു.
Just think, what will you do when you have lost your way in a thick forest? Let us watch what little Goldilocks does when she lost her way while going through the woods. Participants are Hannah Rina Roy as Goldilocks, Gautam R.S. as Papa Bear, Ritu Karthikeyan as Mama Bear, and Advait S. as Little Baby Bear.
The porridge that Mama Bear made was hot, so the bears left it for cooling. They went to the woods for a little walk, dancing, prancing and rolling. There was a little girl named Goldilocks. She was famous for her golden locks. One day she went right into the woods to pick up berries as fast as she could. She lost her way, and there she stood, afraid of animals living in the wood. She ran here and she ran there. She didn't know what to do. She was full of fear of being alone in the woods. What shall I do? I'm so tired and hungry too. But suddenly, what did Goldilocks see? She saw a house. It was nice and bright. It looked so There was no reply, not even a sigh. She walked in slowly and quietly, not making a single sound. She walked in slowly and quietly, not making a single sound. She saw 3 bowls full of porridge. She was delighted. She was hungry. So she tried the porridge from Papa Bear's bowl. Ouch! It's too hot! Then she took the next bowl. It was Mama Bear's bowl. Then she tried Mama Bear's porridge. Oh, it's too cold. Then Goldilocks looked and Baby Bear's bowl was right there. She tasted it. Baby Bear's porridge was a perfect treat. So Goldilocks had a lovely feast. Goldilocks was tired and so she decided to sit. Papa Bear's chair was too high to sit. This is too high. Mama Bear's chair was too low. This is too low. But Baby Bear's chair was just right, so she sat on it without any fright. The bottom fell out of the chair. I'm so tired. She looked around. And what did she see? She saw 3 beds. So Goldilocks lay on Papa Bear's bed. This is too hard. She found it too hard. So she got down from Papa Bear's bed and went to the second bed. This was Mama Bear's bed. She slept on Mama Bear's bed. But Goldilocks was not happy. It's too soft. She found it too soft. Then she went to the third bed. It was Baby Bear's bed. It was not too hard, not too soft. Just right. As she was tired, she fell fast asleep. Suddenly, oh dear, oh dear! The 3 bears came back from their walk, dancing, prancing and rolling. They sat at the table to eat their porridge that they had left for cooling.
Who's been eating my porridge?
Who's been eating my porridge? And who's been eating my porridge and has eaten it all up? Suddenly, Papa Bear looked at his chair.
Who's been sitting on my chair?
Who's been sitting on my chair? Who's been sitting on my chair and has broken it? Now the 3 bears were very tired, so they decided to go to bed. He growled aloud.
Who's been sleeping on my bed?
Who's been sleeping on my bed? And look, she's still there. Hearing the sound of the 3 bears, Goldilocks opened her eyes. 3 bears, all of a different size. Those bears looked at her with anger. They would eat her up, she thought. To catch her, the bears ran behind her, but Goldilocks could not be caught. She jumped out just in time and ran out through the door. The 3 bears ran behind her. But could not catch up at all.
Movies spanning last 10 years or so. Now let us see the little feet tapping to these numbers. Let the craziness begin. On the stage, Nandana, Shivani, Karis, Devika, Rikita, Devika, Nayana, Shweta, Jacqueline, Nandakishore, Abhinav, Mahadevan, Sahil, Ahmad Abdullah, Adi Narayan and Gautam A.L.